This video shows how to correctly install the mechanical portion of the Classic Connector's full tension quadrant clamp Deadend Conversion Kit. This kit will easily convert quadrant clamp applications that are typically rated at normal tension of 60% of the rated braking strength to full tension, which is 95% of rated braking strength. A second video showing the proper installation of the electrical portion of this kit is forthcoming. The design of the quadrant clamp does not allow full tension rating on ACSS. The aluminum stranding of the ACSS conductor are extremely soft, therefore sufficient compression cannot be achieved to provide adequate purchase of the core. The quadrant clamp portion of the conversion kit consists of a one-piece cup and sleeve device that will be compressed onto the conductor's core after the conductor's outer strands have been removed from the bottom section of the quadrant clamp. Step 1 is to place the cup sleeve device against the conductor under the quadrant clamp and then cut the conductor to the same length as the cup sleeve device, which is a minimum of 8.5 inches. Remove the stripper tool collar handle so that it will not collide with the quadrant clamp. It's important to place the stripper tool collar up against the bottom portion of the quadrant clamp. This determines the location for stripping the outer aluminum strands. Mount the stripper tool on the conductor and cut the outer strands. Once the outer strands are cut, remove them to expose the steel core. And remove the stripper tool collar after the core is exposed. Place the spacer over the steel sleeve before inserting the cup sleeve device into the crimp tool. The spacer forces the crimp tool to position itself at the initial crimp location. Then slide the compression tool along with the cup sleeve device onto the conductor. Before activating the tool, make sure that the spacer butts against the mouth of the crimping tool and the bottom of the cup. Withdraw the crimp tool and remove the spacer. The second compression will be located above the initial compression, forcing the steel sleeve to expand, and securely seat the cup firmly against the quadrant clamp. This assures the assembly is tight and not subject to vibration. Complete the crimping process beginning below the initial crimp location until the sleeve is fully crimped. A minimum of 6 crimps is required and overlapping is allowed. This quadrant dead end is now rated as a full tension connection.